This is an emergency situation for the whole city of Al-Qassad. Repeating, this is the emergency situation for the whole city of Al-Qassad.
This is a citywide Amber Alert for the city of Al-Qassad.
A person by the name of Benjamin Jefferson has been abducted by an unknown person.
It turns out that it might be a Labazon.
But this cannot be confirmed yet.
If you see the child or the suspect, call 911.
We hope that you are staying safe out there, guys.
God bless. Good evening, everyone. This is an update to the child abduction emergency, which was issued 20 minutes ago.
The child abductor was actually Blue Rainbow Friends.
People mistaked him as a beast, but instead,
they were wrong.
Blue Rainbow Friends has kidnapped the child by the name of Benjamin Johnson.
You mean Jefferson, right?
Stay safe out there, guys.
A hostage situation in the city of Al-Qassad.
It took place at the Al-Qassad International Airport.
A flight, also known as Air Neon,
from Los Angeles was obliterated by these 7 men.
It turns out that Blue Rainbow Friends actually hired the 6 men.
They had an LSAT.
They even used TAC 19.
Please be careful when you're at the airport if you approach them.
This is an emergency situation. Repeating, this is an emergency situation.
Blue Rainbow Friends, also known as the abductor of Benjamin Jefferson, stated he has a nuclear bomb.
Everybody within the nationwide of Saudi Arabia is forced to evacuate the country immediately, or else you will be killed by the nuclear bomb.
You have to go into countries like UAE, Yemen.
And other Middle East countries, as they are going to receive little to no fallout.
Safe.
And also, the nuclear bomb diffusers are called in to defuse the bomb.
If this bomb doesn't detonate and the bomb squad successfully has defused it,
we will call in an administrative message.
And if the bomb squad fails to defuse the bomb, then we'll have to put in a civil danger warning. And you'll have to be in a fallout shelter immediately.
And also, there's a flash flood coming for the city of Rowdy.
It's a pleasure knowing you, everyone. This is an administrative message for this whole country of Saudi Arabia, and there's no need to evacuate anymore.
The bomb squad has successfully defused the bomb.
However, there's a flash flood warning in 15 to 30 minutes.
Prepare for the flash flood.
In other news, Blue Rainbow Friends has also been killed by the Al-Qasad Police Department.
Please enjoy your day, but be careful about the flash flood and protect yourselves at the tallest floor ever in your building.